Hi everybody, thanks for joining us for our Monday weather update brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, we've got a very quiet week coming up, maybe not quite the same for the end of the week and the start of the weekend, but at this stage it's looking pretty dry and calm. Great news around Kaikoura to Wellington. You're part of the driest, sunniest, warmest parts of New Zealand right now. It's a little warm around parts of Canterbury and Otago over the next day or so as well, with highs getting into the late 20s, close to 30. Really mostly dry weather, a little bit of low cloud coming in around Auckland, just with that sou'wester, which should fade out on Tuesday, and a touch of high cloud just here around Nelson and also down in the very deep south. When we switch on the rain maps, you can see this high pressure system out in the Tasman Sea. So that's the reason why it's warm around the South Island. You've got a light west to southwest wind. So Kaikoura to Wellington, beautiful weather, settled, warm, highs around the mid, maybe late 20s for some inland areas, certainly around the Nelson Ranges and Marlborough Ranges. It'll be pretty hot in there. Wellington not quite as hot with the air coming straight off the Tasman, but still mild, low 20s for you, and light to dry winds at least coming through for you. It won't be a howling gale. As we go through into Tuesday, as I say, light winds in this part of the country, but a light westerly around Canterbury and Southland means it'll be warm. Temperatures around this part, 28 degrees potentially for central Otago, 26 or 27 coming in for Canterbury, and Marlborough 26 or so degrees as well. Mid-20s coming in for the North Island, and around the left-hand side or the western side, the low 20s or late teens down around the South Island, because the air's just coming straight off the Tasman. To Wednesday, light winds as well, similar sort of story, light westerly breeze, so it's still hot in the east and mild in the west. Bit of rain coming in for Fiordland and some spillover into Southland. There's a very light west to southwest wind coming through for you. It might just angle it to get in a few showers, certainly gloomy around Southland on Wednesday. And we'll give you one more for Thursday. No great deal of change. We've got light southerlies in here, light northerlies in there. So this is a bit of a convergent zone with the showers popping up later in the day. It stays dry in the North Island, and I can tell you at the end of the week, this is not posing much of a threat for the North Island at this stage, thanks to high pressure. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long, 10-day forecast, go to countrytv.co.nz or Sky Channel 081.